Pioneer AVH-8450 has a remarkable improvement in the video quality. It includes 720p HD and it has built-in applications. Personally, I like the advanced user interface which allows you to scroll very easily with smooth operation. This has a very cool feature. It has anti-theft function. When you park your car for long periods of time or you send your car for servicing, you don't want people to meddle with it. Dual zone function allows you to control the front and rear separately, such as separate videos.